What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful M340i in M Brooklyn Grey Metallic. Now I believe you have seen the blue version of this car previously, but let us take a walk around to show you guys the M Brooklyn Grey Metallic. Now it is a stunning color. You have to be here in person to see this and admire it. As you can see from the lights, you can see the shape of the car, the lines and things like that, so that's absolutely amazing. So let's start off with the front of the car, guys. Firstly, let's take a look at the beautiful lights that we have right here. Amazing lines that pop right down for the DRLs. You got those blue linings right at the bottom here, as you can see. Very nice once it's turned on. Amazing part about lights like this, the current lights and the modern lights, is that the interior part of the casing is actually dark. So it's really nice to see the blacked out version of the lights that look absolutely stunning. Now, if you move down to the bumper, you'll notice that bumper is fully grayed out, but you have this gloss black finishing that we have right here with some openings for the air to flow through on that side. Sensors located right there. Love the black lining finish down here. Very nice and aggressive looking front bumper. Now for the center piece of the bumper, you do have some sort of like design like finish on the left and the right, and also your sensors for your ADAS system right down here, together with some openings for the air to flow through, and also for these ones right here, the amazing grille that we have right here. These covers actually open up, so I like how it's designed in such a way. Currently right now it's closed because the car is not turned on, but yeah, very nice indeed. The black outer lining of a grille, very nice to get it, the front camera and also your number plate holder goes right here as well, so beautiful. So for the badging, once again the blue and the white, and also you've got your lines on the bonnet to make it look as aggressive as it can be from the side also as well, so beautiful indeed. Now let us move towards the wheels. The front wheels, first thing, you can see you have your red calipers right there, solid disc brakes on the inside. You also get your BMW wheel caps together with the M badging right on the wheels. You got your silver lining on the outside of the wheel together with the black parts on the inside, so the two-tone finish. You got your Pirelli tires is what they're using. Tire size is 225/40 R what again? 19. So there you go. 19-inch wheels for a car like this, so looks really cool. You got your M badging right there at the side, and also you got some lines right here at the side of the car. Of course, with the light, it helps show you the shape that pops up at the side, as you can see. Amazing. Now your side mirrors are fully in this blacked out version, doesn't follow the body color, which is exactly what's nice. And you got your black lining that goes across the whole side of the car, as you can see. Beautiful. Okay, even the D pillar right here, the center also is in a black. So your door handles follow the body color. Let's open that up. Once again, the mirrors look absolutely aggressive, especially when they have this sort of cut that's coming out from the mirror, so very cool indeed. So let's start off the doors. Once again, black interior is what this car comes with, so you got your amazing finish of a door right here, you got your handles right there, you got your satin finish of a design light for the interior part. Ambient lighting goes right there, you got your Harman Kardon speaker and your sound system. Compartment storage down here. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, together with your speakers that you have right up there, so that's kind of cool also as well. You got your M side plates right here. Of course it's not in blue because it's a new car, so it's basically covered. But for the inside part, as you can see, seats look fantastic. I like how the seats are actually holding in this bucket sort of finish. You got your air vents here to adjust. We'll take a seat right in, show it to you, but let's just see. So your dashboard, you have all these lines right here in this sort of like design, so that's kind of cool. I like the finishing that's happening all over the place right here. So if you push that, it opens up. We'll talk about the center in a while more, but nevertheless the legroom is good. You have your fabric lining at the top right here for the pillar, including the top roof as well. You also have your visor with your so-called mirror for you to see some stuff, your center mirror as well, together with your SOS call button for the center also as well. Your glass roof, you have a shade that comes off, so very nice screen that goes across from left to right. Glove compartment is down here, very nice indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Adjusted the seats for me to sit comfortably in the back, which I'll do that right now. Seat belts in black together with the red and the blue. Cool. So let's get right down, open this up, I'll show you guys even the back part. I like how the door just goes, and then once you open up the door, it leaves a little bit of this black finish right here, some sort of design for the car for you to see. So the rear doors, once again, you got your door handles that go right there, speaker goes right there, Harman Kardon speaker once again right here, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, together with your window adjustments up and down, compartment storage for your bottle here. Door is in black, satin finish together with your silver lining for your light right here, ambient lighting. Very nice indeed. So there's no shade, but it's just nice the way it is. Interior once again is black, so let's hop right in. Legroom is fantastic according to how I'm sitting at the front, so it's looking good. You have your rear aircon adjustments, 2 Type-C connectivities happening right there. So this is me sitting comfortably right in the rear. Legroom is absolutely good. You got your lights happening right at the top right here, so of course the car needs to be on in order for you to do that, or maybe having some sort of slight battery, but I believe because the doors are already open, so can't really tell much. But yeah, headroom is good. So let's get right down. Oh, before that, hang on. You do have, I believe, cup holders perhaps hiding right here. There we go. So cup holders are located right there as well. Close that back. Let's get right down and take a look at the rear tires, as you can see. So once again, 255/35 R19, beautiful rear wheels, solid disc brakes, your red calipers to match the front, but no M badging, it's only at the front. You got your BMW center wheel caps, you got your M badging on the wheel itself, two-tone finish of the wheel with some silver lining on the outside, so that's looking really good. Got your petrol cap that goes right here for you to fill. Let's take a look at the rear. Got your M340i badging on the right side. Got your BMW badging right in the center. You got your 360 camera, of course the back one's right there, including the side cameras, so you have it. Number plate. Rear diffuser looks aggressive because it's blacked out finish. You got your 2 exhausts on the left and also the right. Check it out. Looks absolutely amazing. So you have your reflectors for your lights happening right there also as well. So that's really cool. So your lighting. Smoked out tail lights, like how dark it's finishing and appearance looks like, together with the rear spoiler that's in a different color. So there's a lot of black again, black at the side, so it's two-tone finish, so that's kind of nice. What would be nice is if you can actually get the roof wrapped up into this blacked out finish, so that will look, make the car look very sleek. So Harman Kardon speakers at the back, left and right, very cool. Door looks fantastic, interior space looks good. So let's open up the driver's side of the door and take a seat. Before that, the doors, once again, amazing finish of a door. As you can see, you got your unlock and lock handle to open up. So you got memory seats for the driver's side too, and child lock for the rear. Window adjustments together with the back. Side mirror adjustments over here. Compartment storage down here. Harman Kardon speaker goes right there together with over there. And also your boot opening is right here as well. So that's really kind of nice. We will take a look at the boot shortly, but yes, sport pedals, you got your chrome finishing with some black finishes here and there. Opening up of the front hood is this. We'll do that in a while more. Let's jump right in to show you guys the space of the steering. So let me see. So manual adjustment for the steering, very cool indeed. So once again, beautiful finish of a steering. Got your red TDC marker right in the center. You got your air vent adjustments right there together with over there. Hazard light for you to turn on, and your other sort of controls that you can actually control with your volumes and whatnot. Your media, home, navigation and map, everything is over here. Traction control, your parking sensors, your gear lever, drive, reverse, engine start. You got your P, you got your Sport Comfort Eco Pro, auto hold, handbrake, so that's kind of nice. Screen looks fantastic, man. I like how it's curvy and bending towards the driver that's sitting right here. You got your resume, cancel, set, speed limits for you to control. These are the controls for you can set as well. Like the steering design, some see-through happening stuff over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, there's a lot of these openings right here at the side, so to make it look even more sporty. Got the M badging right there as well. So very cool, man. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. And also, yes, let's turn on the lights and show you guys if I could do that. There we go. Is it turned on already? Maybe not, maybe yes. I have to really check it out and see whether it's turned on. Yeah, maybe it's already on. Cool. So let's get right down. Show you guys the front. Firstly, amazing lights, as I mentioned, with the lights how it's cutting down. You got those blue linings right there. So from the front, can't really tell. But if you're from the top, can you see those blue lines? Looks absolutely amazing, man. So let's take one cover photo for the front, make it look even more stunning. Beautiful, beautiful finish of a car. So lights once again, stunning. And as I mentioned, 360 camera for the side. Check out the back. We'll open up the boot and show it to you guys in a while more. But nevertheless, check out the rear lights. Looks fantastic, man. Like it. So open up the boot. Show you guys. Auto closing as well. You got your triangle. How to say? Reflector. First aid kit on this side. You got some compartment storage happening on that side. You can fold down the seats if you wish to. So let's pull the seat down. Show it to you guys. Amazing storage space for a car like this. Over here as well, looks fantastic. And what about here? Let's pull this down. Take a look. Fantastic space that you guys are getting for a car like this, guys. Amazing. So let's close the boot. Once again, take a look. Beautiful looking design of a light. Love the M340i badging. So let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does it look like. Firstly, you get the turn indicators right at your side mirrors. That's kind of cool. You also get them on the one side part of your DRLs. Just only one, which looks kind of cool also. Love the color, man. This sort of like grey looks really, really nice. Amazing. So that's it, guys. Beautiful looking car, M340i. So if you'd like to find out more, do check out the description below and get in touch with the salesperson so you can perhaps take a look at this car or any other different kinds of cars that these guys have. They have tons of cars lying all over the place, guys. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.